Bishop Ward High School, founded in 1908 by the Sisters of Charity of Leavenworth, formerly known as Catholic High School. As the population grew, the Sisters expanded and moved Catholic High School to its current location in Kansas City, Kansas, and that's where Bishop Ward was established. Ward is, out of many parts, we are one body. At the core of our existence is our Catholic faith. We express our faith through masses, daily prayer, and theology classes. We welcome students from all religious denominations. We learn together as one community and tie everything back to our Catholic Christian values and teachings. Ward is made for service, to care for each other. Not only are we called to be faithful followers of Christ's teachings, we are called to put our faith into action through service. Our students often share how much they gain from these experiences, and their service continues into their adult lives. Ward is education. We strive to prepare students for the 21st century while encouraging them to be lifelong learners. Bishop Ward is the only Catholic high school in the state of Kansas to offer the Academy of Finance program through the National Academy Foundation. The class of 2018 earned nearly $2 million in scholarships towards their college and university choices. Ward is athletics and students clubs. The Bishop Ward Cyclone teams compete in the Crossroad Conference. In addition to athletics, Bishop Ward students also has over 25 clubs and organizations they can get involved with. Some of the most popular include Pep Club, Robotics, Drama Club, and Campus Ministry. Students also have found success in competing after high school at the community college, NAIA, NCAA, Division I and Division II levels. There is something for everyone to do at Bishop Ward High School. Tradition. Rich in history and tradition, we have proudly served the Kansas City, Kansas community for 110 years. From the homecoming festivities and game to our Christmas St. Nicholas cookies, Adopt a Family Service Project, and our time-honored graduation ceremony. Many of our alumni love coming home. And honoring our past, celebrating our present, and preparing for future endeavors are all part of the Cyclone tradition. Ward is family. Once a Cyclone, always a Cyclone. Whether you graduated from Ward or are only with our family for a short time, you are always a member of the black and white tradition. Bishop Ward High School, educating the body, mind, and soul of every student.